Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure the headphones have some juice and your phone or laptop has Bluetooth turned on. Press and hold the power button on the Beats Studio 3 until the LED begins to flash, which puts them into pairing mode. On your device, open Bluetooth settings and keep it visible. This helps the device discover new peripherals. Once you see Beats Studio 3 appear in the list, don't select it yet. Stay ready to confirm the connection when prompted. Now initiate the actual pairing from your device. Tap the entry labeled Beats Studio 3 in the Bluetooth list. Your device may show a pairing prompt. Accept it. If a PIN is requested, enter 0000, which is the common default for audio headsets. During this step, keep the headphones close and avoid switching to other Bluetooth menus. Wait until you hear the connection chime or see a steady LED. Because that audio. Finish by verifying full functionality. Play a stereo track to check left and right channels and toggle active noise cancellation to ensure it responds. If audio cuts out or pairing fails, reset the Beats by holding power and volume down for about 10 seconds, then repeat pairing steps. This clears glitches. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is not already bonded to another device, and if problems persist, check for a firmware update in the Beats or device settings. Once stable, you're good to go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.